Yes.
Somebody told me that homeopathy originally is as well mentioned in the Quran. Is that true or not?
In the Quran?
Yeah, as a...
It must have been, but I don't remember anyway. Where is it? That is the question. Because Quran doesn't leave any subject. You have to apply your brain and you'll discover something in the Quran. You have now pointed out, I'll inshallah try to discover the place. Oh, I remembered. The exact place where the principle of homeopathy, treatment of the similar with the similar, is mentioned in the Quran in a strange way. I refer to a verse of the Holy Quran, chapter?
Al Imran, chapter 3.
Al Imran?
Chapter 3, verse number 154.
In 154. Allah speaks of a sorrow or a grief or an affliction which had stricken the Muslims. And this infliction was treated by another similar infliction, which made them forget the previous one. So that the resultant is so that you may not grieve over what affliction has stricken you. So you don't add infliction to remove infliction, do you? You never do that. So this is the homeopathic principle. Another similar infliction would remove the burning of your heart regarding a previous infliction. And this is what the Quran says very clearly.
This is verse number 154 from Surah Al Imran, which is chapter number 3. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Iz tusiduna wa la taluna ala ahadin wa rasulu yadukum fi ukhrakum fa asabakum ghammam bi ghammin likay la tahzanu ala ma fatakum wa la ma asabakum wallahu khabirum bima ta'malun. The translation is, when you were running away and looked not back at anyone while the messenger was calling out to you from your rear, then he gave you a sorrow in recompense for a sorrow, that you might not grieve for what escaped you, nor for what befell you, and Allah is well aware of what you do.
See what a wonderful book this is, eh? Unbelievable. Everything is found in the Quran.